What's going on, guys? It's your boy Scooter Blue Jeans here.
Scooter Blue Jeans.
We have a different kind of video. It's 9:17.
Dude, that's my poster. That's my
We're in the
poster.
cafeteria. Alright, guys, we're gonna find out what's in the microwave.
Okay. Might be potato.
Might be a potato.
I'll open it. I'll do the honors.
Condom?
What?
We have to look at the components. Maybe there's some valuable stuff in here.
No,
Let's see.
What are you doing?
We got a lot of
Guys,
markers.
this is crazy.
Who's this?
I did
Wow,
not
that's-
expect this
oh
to
my
happen.
gosh.
Oh, secret letter.
Symmetric property.
No.
Maybe it's a sign.
No, I figured it out. Look, on the back.
Maybe
8
that's the
equals-
symmetric property.
8 equals X and X equals 8.
I cannot.
Here it is, guys.
Landon, get out of here.
Symmetric property.
Okay, guys, make sure you give a shout out to Ross for letting me use his pencil bag. No, we found it for you. It's in the microwave. Thank you. Thank you.
We'll see you next time. Scooter Blue Jeans.
Alright, guys, it's
Don't
been
forget
Scooter
to
Blue
give me a
Jeans.
dog.
See you next time.
Schlaugington.